Hey guys, how's it going? So I figured I would make a video, something to do with the smoker from Camp Chef, which I haven't talked about in a while. It's not about really the Camp Chef, but a product you would use for barbecuing or smoking. In my case, smoking, because you always cook to temperature, and that seems to work out the best. I've been using this neat little device from ThermoPro, and it works really, really nice. Problem is, our other probe for it was giving an error on the screen, like all sevens. So I bought a new probe. This was after tax, $14. I got it from Amazon, link in the description. And it's one probe, it's 8 inches long. It's been changed. This is how it came. Came in a nondescript box, just a white box and an Amazon envelope. There are generic ones. I got this one actually from ThermoPro, so I paid a little bit more. Or you can buy a generic one if you want. The reviews were hit and miss. This is supposedly 8 inches. Some people complain about that because it's so long. Obviously, always remove probe with gloves. Like, you don't know that already if you're buying a replacement probe. And let's see, let's undo it here. Let's see how long. Oh, really long cord, more than I can get in the video. So nice long cord. We will plug it into the unit here. Goes in nicely. Turn it on. Come on. And it gives a temperature and not a low reading setting. So that's really nice. So this works. The other one, the original two, probably our fault, fell in the water in the sink, got condensation. I went to their website. They have a frequently asked questions section, and it said if you get that error, probe could have gone bad. Or condensation got in, which most likely it did, because even this one, there's an opening there. So you just really want to wipe these off and not toss them in the sink. Ours have fallen in the sink, so user issue there, not really their fault. You know, I didn't know if this was bad. I would have to buy a whole new unit and spend $50, $60, which isn't that big of a deal in the long run. But yeah, some people complain the probe price is pretty high. Well, you can get the generic ones. They're cheaper. I just got the one that was being sold by them, so I would know it would work. Claims it's 71 in here, which it might very well be. It's a nice day, so I'm going to assume that's correct. And how this works, while I'm doing this, I might as well show you. You know, you turn it on, and then it transmits the temperature. So with probe 1, and that's the only thing I didn't like about this, they should have on the hard part here which side is probe 1 and probe 2. So probe 1 is the right hand side, the left side is probe 2, and I just used a Sharpie and wrote on there so I would know. So it's on my leg right now, so a little bit warmer, but the idea is you're cooking at temperature. Once you learn your probe in your setup, then you're good to go. That's how you basically smoke. Indirect heat, you're cooking with the smoke and indirect heat to cook the food. Barbecue is typically a direct flame, hence you're grilling. I hope this video helped you that, you know, if you're getting a cold reading, there's probably condensation in the unit. It's not the units themselves going bad, and you can just buy new probes. This one's not generic, but you can get generic. Look in the description. I'll put links to a variety of the probes that claim to work on the T20. Yeah, TP20. This is the model TP20. So, anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Please follow that Amazon affiliate link to the probe and to the unit, or do your normal shopping, because it all helps the channel, and I get a I guess, cut commission from you doing your shopping. And that helps out the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. So indirectly, allows somebody to benefit from your shopping. So thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye.